Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Asus ROG G700, the powerhouse gaming desktop that's been making waves in the enthusiast community. Before you make a choice on your next high-performance system, watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research to help you decide if this beast is worth your investment. You'll find a link to the best price in the description below. So you've clicked on this video to learn about the Asus ROG G700's price, performance, and whether it's the right gaming rig for you. We'll cover everything from raw specs to real-world usage. Let's dive right in and get started. The Asus ROG G700 stands out immediately with its Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, featuring an impressive tetra core architecture that delivers exceptional multi-threaded performance for both gaming and content creation. This isn't just another gaming PC, it's a statement piece engineered for enthusiasts who demand the absolute best. With 32 GB of cutting-edge DDR5 RAM clocked at high frequencies, this system handles everything from 4K gaming to professional video editing with remarkable ease. The storage solution is equally impressive, featuring a lightning-fast 2TB NVMe SSD that ensures your games load in seconds and your system boots almost instantaneously. Moreover, Asus has pre-installed 3 months of Xbox PC Game Pass, giving you immediate access to hundreds of premium titles right out of the box. This thoughtful addition saves you approximately $30 and lets you experience the system's capabilities immediately. Gaming performance is where the G700 truly shines. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, with its advanced architecture and high core count, delivers frame rates that consistently exceed 144 FPS in competitive titles at 1440p resolution. Additionally, the system maintains exceptional thermal performance thanks to ROG's proprietary cooling solution, keeping temperatures under control even during extended gaming sessions. For content creators and professionals, this machine is equally outstanding. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM configuration enables smooth 8K video editing, complex 3D rendering, and effortless multitasking across demanding applications. Furthermore, the tetra core processor excels at parallel workloads, making it perfect for streamers who need to game, encode, and broadcast simultaneously without any performance hiccups. The build quality reflects Asus ROG's premium positioning. The chassis features tempered glass panels with customizable RGB lighting that syncs with your entire gaming ecosystem. The attention to detail extends to the tool-free upgrade design, making future enhancements straightforward for users who want to push their system even further. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, Thunderbolt 4 support, and 2.5 GB Ethernet for lag-free online gaming. The system also supports Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring wireless performance that matches its wired capabilities. However, one notable downside is the premium price point. Some users may find the cost challenging to justify, especially when considering that a graphics card isn't included in this configuration. You'll need to factor in an additional $800 $2,000 for a GPU that matches the system's capabilities, which significantly increases the total investment. The G700 targets serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who need uncompromising performance. It's particularly well suited for those building a no-compromise setup where every component must deliver peak performance. The inclusion of Xbox Game Pass adds immediate value, while the future-proof specifications ensure this system remains relevant for years. Performance benchmarks reveal the true potential of this configuration. In CPU-intensive tasks, the Ultra 9 285K outperforms previous generation flagship processors by up to 40%, while maintaining excellent power efficiency. The DDR5 memory provides bandwidth that eliminates bottlenecks in memory-intensive applications. You got it. So that's it for the best high-end gaming desktop on the market for this year. Like, comment if you are gonna buy it or your impressions, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.